Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can make thin sections from chondritic meteorites. These are stony meteorites with lumps of metal in, and I brought these two from a dealer, from a main meteorite dealer, and he's cut them into thin slices for me. This one, which is NWA 7998 L5 chondrite, has got one or two little cracks in it, and I don't want those to break when I'm making a thin section. So this particular one will need to be backed by glass. So I've got a piece of old scrap glass there, which I'll place on the hot plate, and I'll place the meteorite down on the actual glass on the hot plate, and I give it about 10-15 minutes to heat up before I can actually apply some resin by dropping a little bit of resin between the meteorite and the glass. The capillary action will do the job for me and will draw the resin underneath and into the cracks, thus supporting it to when I make a flat surface before mounting it onto a glass slip. The second piece is more solid and there's no cracks. And with this one, all I need to do is rub a flat surface to remove any residue saw marks. It's hardly any, but it's always a good idea to ensure that it's totally flat. And here I've got a glass plate with 600 grade condom powder on. I'm just going to rub that. The lubricant is water. And I'm going to rub that for a couple of minutes just to remove any potential marks or saw marks on that surface. On that surface I'm going to mount it with the glass slide. I'll just do that. That's fully removed because meteorites are fairly soft. And I'll just place that on the hot plate. I usually just dab off the water, excess water, to speed up the drying process. And doing so I can see there's no marks left on that glass slip. So I'll allow that to heat up for 10 minutes. Then I can mount the glass slide directly onto that sample. It doesn't need any more help. The first sample will need to be cut and rubbed down flat before I can get to the same stage.